So I just took my office chair out of the box. What I want to do is show you all the parts that it comes with. Then we're going to go ahead and put together, and I'm going to just give you my opinion of whether it was easy or not and how long it took to do that. So we've got our front and our bottom here on this side. We've also got a headrest and some miscellaneous parts down here, including the wheels. These are all the parts we need to go ahead and assemble it. It does come with some instructions here, and honestly, it is pretty simple. There's really not that many steps at all. I've put many chairs together, and this looks like it honestly will be one of the easiest to do. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and assemble the base for the wheels. We're going to take this right here, which is kind of like a star, flip that upside down. These are where the threads are. We're going to take the legs, go ahead and insert it in there. Take our bolts, go ahead and put it in the hole, and just repeat that step 4 more times. And then it does come with a tool to go ahead and tighten those bolts up. After the legs are assembled, what we're going to do is we're going to take the wheels and they just push in there just like that. So I'm going to insert the cover. You just press it right on there. I'm going to take the actuator, plop that in there, and then we're going to work on the seat. Now this is the base seat we're going to be sitting on. It does say front right here, so I've got that facing towards me. This base is going to mount right here. I'm going to line it up with these 4 holes. Now it does say front. It's kind of imprinted there into the metal. It's a little difficult to see, but once you get at home and look at it, you easily can see that. And that way you'll know that that's going to face towards the front of the seat also. What we're going to do now is go ahead and attach the bottom part and your backrest together. And you do that with the armrests. These armrests actually have 4 holes. There's 4 holes right here, 2 here and 2 here. Then we're going to go ahead and line up the holes and insert the bolts. And we're all done except this one last step. Just take the headrest and then you just push it in there. So I've got my light brown office chair here. Now it does come in some other colors, but what I like about it right away is you see here we've got a diamond pattern here on the top for your back, and then right here where you're going to be sitting down. Also, it has an adjustable headrest. Also has some additional cushioning right here on the left and right hand side. And then we've also got our armrests here. Now these are also cushioned too. This isn't hard plastic like a lot of office chairs it can be, so that makes it definitely more comfortable. Also on the right hand side here, we've got 2 levers. One is a tension knob that allows you when you're leaning back to put a little bit of tension, depending on how far you want to lean back. And then also we have a lever here to also adjust the height too. You can go ahead and lock in that as you lean back to keep from leaning back, or you can unlock it and lean back as far as you want to. On the back side here, you can kind of see how it is. It's just nice and clean. And then also the armrests are adjustable too. So you can move those up out of the way if you need to, especially if you're going to be getting next to a desk, maybe that the height is not quite what you need to, so you can actually move those in there and get as close as you need to. It does have quite a few features. It's super soft and very comfortable. Hope you found this review helpful.